This video gives a detailed explanation of 0.75 millimeter squared single-core flexible cable used in electrical wiring and appliance connections. You will learn each technical parameter that defines the cable's quality, performance, and manufacturing standard. Cable technical details. Cable size: 0.75 millimeter squared single-core flexible type. Overall diameter: 2.4 millimeters to 2.6 millimeters. Insulation thickness: 0.45 millimeters to 0.65 millimeters. Conductor material: pure copper. Number of strands: 24 copper wires. Each strand diameter: 0.20 millimeters. Copper resistance: CR 26.15 ohms per kilometer. Weight: 12.63 grams per meter. Explanation: the 0.75 square millimeters flexible cable is commonly used for light electrical loads, control panels, and domestic applications. The fine 24-strand copper conductor provides high flexibility and low resistance, ensuring smooth power flow with minimal voltage drop. The insulation thickness of 0.45 millimeters to 0.65 millimeters offers reliable protection against electrical leakage and mechanical stress. Its overall diameter of 2.4 millimeters to 2.6 millimeters maintains compactness for easy installation in narrow spaces. The low resistance value of 26.15 ohms per kilometer guarantees efficient electrical performance. The weight of 12.63 grams per meter confirms the accurate copper content and insulation density according to standard manufacturing specifications. This video helps cable engineers, students, and technicians understand how these parameters affect cable performance, durability, and quality testing in cable production.